Mula sa kanyang biggest fear, life mission at newfound passion naman ang ibinahagi ni Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards sa ikalawang bahagi ng GMA Integrated News Interviews. Sa dami ng kanyang mga pinagdaanan sa personal life at showbiz journey, meron ba siyang gustong balikan sa nakaraan? Ichichika yan ni Nelson Canlas.
Puno ng pasasalamat ang puso ni Alden Richards sa kanyang pagdiriwang ng 1.5 dekada sa showbiz. Ipadarama niya raw ito sa People Who Matter sa pamamagitan ng isang event, ang AR-15 Moving Forward sa December 13 at the City of Santa Rosa, Laguna Multipurpose Complex.
It's always about giving back, making people feel special. I like to make people feel special kasi. And there's no one who's more deserving of that, but the people who have helped me and that has been very instrumental with my career. Gusto ko maramdaman nyo na parang there's nothing but gratefulness and appreciation yung past 15 years. And lahat kayo kasama doon.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng aming usapan sa GMA Integrated News Interviews, Alden let his heart out on his sleeves. Lalo't ang kanyang misyon sa buhay ang naging topic.
You don't fail to inspire people.
Wow. Siguro ano siya, I think that's my mission. Doon ako na-fuel to yung like whatever it is that I'm feeling, gusto ko na si-share ko siya. Ayoko siyang sinasarili. There's no fulfillment with a success that's being celebrated by just one person. Being able to be here and be a platform of inspiration to make people feel like that their lives are getting better every day with the things that you do. I think that's my higher calling.
Mas lumalim ang usapan ng magawi kami sa mga taong nagkaroon siya ng ugnayan in the last 15 years.
How I wish I could have go back to the times na nasaktan ako ng mga tao and I've hurt some also. Gusto ko lang siyang balikan, but yun nga, kagaya nung sabi ko.
Para baguhin?
Para just to, baka kaya lang itama ulit. Para lang mawala yung sakit sa nasaktan ko and mawala yung sakit dun sa nanakit sa akin. Medyo yun kasi yung parang things that I tend to go back to. Na what if hindi kaya nangyari yun? What if okay? What if? Yung the what ifs of life.
Ang lalim niyan.
Yeah.
May pangalan ba yan?
Marami naman sila.
Noong Mayo, matatanda ang inamin ni Alden sa GMA Integrated News Interviews na dumaan siya sa depression. Kumusta na kaya ang Asia's multimedia star ngayon?
It was a very difficult season in my life because I was really lost. Parang hindi mo manavigate saan ka, di ba? Parang nothing makes sense anymore. Walang motivation. I took for granted a lot of things, which is a very bad mindset to have. But yun nga I mean, all the people are there to give their support. I'm just so grateful for the people that are taking care of me and shield me. One thing I've learned from that is, at the end of the day, you only have your faith and yourself to get out of that.
Are you better now?
Yes, actually.
A lot?
Yeah, better.
Fulfilled actor and performer. Nagpahanga din si Alden sa kanyang kauna-unahang directorial job. Inamin niya na gusto niyang i-discover at palawigin pa ang kanyang newfound passion sa pagdidirect.
I'd like to do a project na director lang ako. I think that's my priority. Para totally focused ka lang sa storytelling, how you want the characters to be laid out.
Wishlist na artista na i-direct?
Oh my God. Baka masyadong ambitious. Sana si Kuya Dong tsaka si Yan.
Talaga? Bakit sila?
I have always looked up to both of them. With Kuya Dong and Yan, I just want to see them in the eyes of a director rather than a friend and a actor on a project. Iba rin yun.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.